Welcome to Touring Globe, the most stunning spots in Strasbourg you must visit. Soft morning light reflects on calm canals. Half-timbered houses glow in warm colors. Church bells echo gently as the city wakes. A boat glides slowly under stone bridges. Light French instrumental music begins. Strasbourg is a city where cultures meet, histories intertwine, and beauty appears at every turn. Located at the crossroads of France and Germany, this Alsatian gem blends medieval charm, Renaissance elegance, and modern European spirit. From storybook neighborhoods to grand cathedrals and peaceful waterways, Strasbourg feels both timeless and alive. Today, we explore the most stunning spots in Strasbourg you must visit, places that define the soul, history, and magic of this unforgettable city. 1. Strasbourg Cathedral Notre-Dame. Strasbourg Cathedral is the heart and symbol of the city. Rising dramatically above the old town, this Gothic masterpiece once stood as the tallest building in the world. Its single spire reaches skyward, visible from nearly every corner of Strasbourg. The cathedral's pink sandstone facade changes color throughout the day, glowing gold at sunrise and warm rose at sunset. Intricate carvings cover every surface, telling biblical stories in stone. Inside, soaring arches and stained glass windows fill the space with light and reverence. The astronomical clock, a marvel of Renaissance engineering, draws visitors from around the world. Climbing the tower rewards you with breathtaking views across Strasbourg, the Rhine River, and even Germany on clear days. 2. Petite France. Petite France is Strasbourg's most picturesque neighborhood. This historic district feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Half-timbered houses lean over narrow canals. Flower-filled balconies reflect in the water below. Cobblestone streets wind between old mills, bridges, and charming cafes. Once home to fishermen and craftsmen, Petite France now captures the romantic spirit of Strasbourg. Every corner offers a postcard-perfect view. Walking here slowly, without a destination, is one of the city's greatest pleasures. By day, it feels lively and colorful. By night, lanterns glow softly, and the reflections shimmer on the canals. Petite France is pure Alsatian magic. 3. The Ill River and covered bridges. The Ill River wraps gently around Strasbourg's historic center, shaping its beauty and rhythm. Walking along its banks offers peaceful views and fresh perspectives of the city. The covered bridges, known as ponts couverts, once formed part of Strasbourg's medieval defenses. Today, they stand as iconic landmarks linking past and present. Stone towers rise above the water, mirrored perfectly on calm days. Nearby walkways offer ideal spots for photos and quiet moments. This area reveals how Strasbourg grew from a fortified city into a cultural treasure. 4. Barrage Vauban. Just beyond the covered bridges stands the Barrage Vauban. Built in the 17th century, this structure once protected Strasbourg from invasion. Inside, stone corridors echo with footsteps. Outside, water flows powerfully beneath arched openings. Climb to the rooftop terrace for one of the best panoramic views in Strasbourg. From here, you can see Petite France, the cathedral spire, and the river weaving through the city. It is both a historic monument and a perfect viewpoint. 5. Place Kléber. Place Kléber is Strasbourg's main square and modern heartbeat. Wide, open, and full of energy, it brings together locals and visitors alike. Street performers entertain crowds. Shoppers move between boutiques and cafes. Seasonal decorations transform the square throughout the year. During Christmas, Place Kléber hosts the city's iconic Christmas tree. During summer, it becomes a lively gathering place under open skies. This square reflects Strasbourg's vibrant daily life. 6. Place Gutenberg. Place Gutenberg honors Johannes Gutenberg, the inventor of the printing press. This elegant square sits close to the cathedral, offering a quieter charm. Cafes spill onto the square, inviting visitors to pause and observe. Historic buildings frame the space with classic Alsatian architecture. It is a perfect spot to relax while surrounded by centuries of innovation and culture. 7. European Quarter. Strasbourg is not only historic, it is also deeply modern. The European Quarter represents the city's role as a symbol of unity and diplomacy. Here stands the European Parliament, along with other major European institutions. Sleek architecture contrasts with green parks and open spaces. Walking through this district reveals Strasbourg's global importance. It shows how the city bridges nations, cultures, and ideas. This is Strasbourg looking toward the future. 8. Parc de l'Orangerie. Parc de l'Orangerie is Strasbourg's oldest and most beloved park. It offers a peaceful escape from the city streets. Tree-lined paths invite slow walks. A lake reflects the sky as boats glide across the water. Storks, Alsace's iconic birds, nest here, delighting visitors. Families picnic on the grass. Couples relax beneath shady trees. The park perfectly balances nature and elegance. 9. Strasbourg Christmas Markets. Strasbourg is known as the capital of Christmas. Its Christmas markets are among the oldest and most magical in Europe. Wooden stalls fill the streets with lights, music, and warmth. The scent of mulled wine, roasted chestnuts, and gingerbread fills the air. Handcrafted ornaments and decorations reflect centuries of tradition. During this season, the entire city glows with festive spirit. It is a time when Strasbourg feels truly enchanting. 10. Boat cruise through the canals. One of the best ways to experience Strasbourg is from the water. A canal cruise offers a gentle journey through history. You pass medieval districts, grand institutions, and hidden corners. Bridges open and close as the boat glides smoothly beneath them. Narration reveals stories you might miss on foot. From the river, Strasbourg reveals its layers, contrasts, and harmony. It is relaxing, informative, and unforgettable. Golden sunset bathes the cathedral in warm light. Reflections dance on the canals. Streetlights glow as evening settles over the city. Strasbourg is more than a destination. It is a meeting point of cultures, centuries, and stories. From fairy tale streets and towering cathedrals to peaceful parks and modern institutions, these stunning spots reveal why Strasbourg captures hearts so effortlessly. A city to explore slowly. A city to remember forever. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.